Working on a 2000 Toyota Tacoma. Actually doing a bunch of other stuff under the hood. But I just wanted to show you something. This is what the bed caps looked like on these new. They're kind of dark gray. They look great. But they turn really light gray and they look like crap. So this I've already treated. This didn't really need any of it. And this was every bit as white as that other side. You can see it's gray now. It looks pretty decent. Let me show you what I do in order to get this to look like this. This is actually sun bleached, and you use a torch. So when you hit it with the torch, you just want to go slow. You don't want to burn it, and you don't want to cause it to buckle. But what you're doing, this is like snowflakes. It's got a lot of surface area. It's got sun baking, whatever. And you're basically just melting the plastic so that it refracts light the same way instead of refracting like snow. Because if you look at it through a microscope, it would look like a dry lake bed with just tons of cracks. So watch this. This goes from white like almost instantly because I'm like really burning into it hard there. But you got to go this side, and then you got to climb up into the truck like this. You see how that didn't get any? So then you go back over it, and it just brings back the gray color that it used to be, because you're basically melting it smooth again. That's what you're doing.